6 ways to naturally enlarge your penis. To many men, the size of their penis can be an important part of their self-image. For these guys, the question of how to make your penis bigger naturally is more than a matter of curiosity, it's a matter of pride and self-esteem. It's important to remember that unless you suffer from a medical condition like phimosis, which means you can't retract your foreskin, or Peyronie's disease, a curvature of the penis, there are no magic pills that will increase the length and width of your erect penis. 1. Jelqing. Jelqing is a manual penis enlargement technique that can be used by men. A jelqing exercise consists of making a tight ring with the thumb and index finger on one hand, for the right-handed, just below the head of an erect penis, then moving it up and down, in a motion similar to milking. The stimulation from this type of activity produces blood flow into penile tissues. 2. Stretching. Stretching is one of the more popular ways to increase penis length. It involves pulling your penis in 2 different directions. The goal is to stretch the penis by creating micro tears in the tissue. Although there are no scientific studies on this technique, it has been used for many years and might help promote blood flow, which could lead to increased size. 3. Kegels. Kegels are an exercise that can be done at home, and they strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. Strengthening these muscles has been shown to help with erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and more. Kegels are easy to do. Simply tense your pelvic floor muscles, as if you were trying to stop the flow of urine and then release them. You can also try doing sets of 10 to 20 reps a few times a day. 4. Diet. Avoiding processed sugars and other bad carbohydrates can help maintain a healthy weight, which in turn helps maintain a larger penis size. The less weight you have, the less pressure there will be on the blood vessels that supply the penis with blood. 5. Supplements. There are a wide range of supplements that can increase the size of your penis, as well as improve your general health. These include 1. L-arginine, an amino acid that is crucial for making proteins and building muscle. 2. Pycnogenol, which promotes nitric oxide production and circulation in the body and helps to control blood sugar levels. 3. Horny goat weed. 4. Ashwagandha extract, which helps with anxiety and stress management. 6. Surgery. Penile lengthening surgery is the most common type of surgical penis enlargement. The procedure involves cutting the ligament that connects the penis to the pubic bone and grafting added skin from the inner thigh or forearm. This can increase length by 1 to 2 inches. The procedure takes about an hour, and patients usually go home the same day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.